Imagine you're standing on Earth, looking up at the sky, a sky so deep that it feels endless. The sun sets, stars begin to dot the night, and you're suddenly aware that you're on a tiny, spinning rock in the middle of something vast. This is where our journey begins. Tonight, we're not just stargazing, we're diving into the cosmos, one breathtaking layer at a time. As we pull back from Earth, our first stop is a familiar face, the moon, hanging in the void like a beacon in the darkness. It seems close, but it's 238,855 miles away. A road trip that would take 6 months, non-stop. From up here, Earth looks serene, small, and vulnerable. The moon's craters tell tales of cosmic impacts and history. But it's just our starting point. Beyond the moon, the sun dominates the sky. As the heart of our solar system, it holds planets, moons, and asteroids in its gravitational embrace. From here, it's a massive, boiling sphere of hydrogen and helium, sending energy across billions of miles. It's so large that 1 million Earths could fit inside. But despite its power, it's only one star among billions. As we continue, we pass Mars, with its rusty red surface and tales of ancient water flows. Then comes Jupiter, its great red spot, a furious storm that's raged for centuries. Beyond that lies Neptune, a blue gem shrouded in icy clouds. The planets drift by, each a world in its own right, but none prepared us for what's next, the end of the sun's reach, a region called the heliopause. Here, Voyager 1, launched in 1977, floats quietly, a relic of humanity's quest to explore. It's traveled 14 billion miles and still signals home. Past Voyager lies the Oort cloud, an icy halo around our solar system. Here, comets sleep until they're nudged inward, streaking toward the sun. This cloud stretches so far that light, moving at 186,000 miles per second, would take nearly 2 years to cross it. And beyond that, stars. Billions of stars, all glowing softly against the backdrop of the Milky Way. Now we find Alpha Centauri, our closest star system, still 4.37 light-years away. That's over 25 trillion miles. If we traveled at the speed of light, we'd arrive in 4 years. With our current technology, it would take tens of thousands. Yet Alpha Centauri is just one of hundreds of billions of stars in the Milky Way, a galaxy stretching over 100,000 light-years across. Our Sun is barely a speck within it. Pulling out further, the Milky Way transforms into a glittering spiral of stars, dust, and gas. But we're not alone. Our galaxy is part of the local group, a cluster of galaxies held together by gravity. And in this cosmic neighborhood, galaxies dance, interact, and even collide over millions of years. Our nearest galactic neighbor, Andromeda, drifts ever closer, set to meet the Milky Way in about 4.5 billion years, merging into something new. Beyond the local group lies the Virgo Supercluster, a vast collection of galaxy clusters, each one containing thousands of galaxies like ours. This supercluster is part of a structure known as the Laniakea Supercluster, a region so vast that it takes over 500 million light-years to span. And still, the universe stretches further. Here we meet a mystery, the Great Attractor. It's pulling everything around it, including our own galaxy, with a force we can barely understand. Scientists believe it may be an immense concentration of dark matter or perhaps something we can't yet comprehend. But beyond even the Great Attractor, we enter a realm of galaxy filaments, massive walls of galaxies, and immense cosmic voids, each expanding as the universe itself stretches outward. At last, we reach the edges of the observable universe, a boundary over 46 billion light-years from Earth in every direction. This is the farthest we can see, limited by the age of the universe, and the speed of light. Beyond this edge lies the unknown, a realm of mystery where even our most advanced theories falter. Now, imagine turning back. After this journey, Earth, our home, is a dot in a vast ocean of stars, galaxies, and superclusters. Our entire history, every human achievement, every story told, every life lived, is contained within this dot. In the grand scale of the universe, we are incredibly small. Yet, we are part of something much larger than we could ever imagine. As we end our journey, we're left with a humbling sense of perspective. The universe is unimaginably vast, and we are tiny travelers within it. But our curiosity drives us forward, inspiring us to explore, to learn, and to dream. And so, as we look up at the night sky, perhaps it's not emptiness we see but an invitation to wonder about our place in this infinite cosmos, and what lies beyond. 4-0